Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today I am going to deliver assignment number 4, first day's lecture, and today we are going to start the chapter pollution. We have started it previously, but today we are going to do the comprehension of this chapter. Right? So kindly open your books on page number 27. Okay, before going towards types of pollution, first we will discuss what is pollution. As you all know, the word is pollution. You all will be familiar with this term. But basically, pollution is the act of making the environment dirty, right? The act of making the environment dirty with man made waste. When we pollute the environment, when we make our environment dirty with the things which are made by man, then this is called pollution. Okay, when you will open your books on page number 27, you will see a comprehension passage, and here you will see that there are different type of pollution are mentioned. For in first paragraph, the first type of pollution is air pollution. What is air pollution? When you will read the comprehension, you will come to know what is air pollution, and here in this picture you can also see that what is air pollution and what causes air pollution. Here you can see that this is the smoke which is emitted by the industries. So when the dirty smoke goes towards the sky, when it mixes with our environment, when it mixes with the surrounding, it pollutes our environment, right? So basically the air pollution is the smoke which is released from the industries, then this is called the air pollution. Okay, the next is land pollution. Land pollution is basically the waste material which we throw on the land, right? When we eat something, we just throw the garbage outside our homes. We just throw the garbage outside from our cars or vehicles, and then this causes the land pollution. We spread the waste material, we spread the wastage, we spread the rubbish and garbage on the floor, on the ground, on the land, then this causes the land pollution. It makes our environment dirty, it makes our land dirty, right? Okay, the next type of pollution is water pollution, and water pollution is the waste material or the dirt which make the water dirty, which make the sea water dirty, which make the river water dirty. And how it is made dirty? It is made dirty by the release of different dirty water from the industries. The waste of industries got mixed into the river and the seas. The sewage system, as our sewage system is not proper, so the dirty water, the garbage and the industrial waste just go inside the sea and it pollutes the sea water. So these basically the three main types of pollution are air pollution, land pollution and water pollution. When you will read the chapter, you will come to know the difference between all these things, all these pollutions and how they are caused. Okay students, you have to read the passage independently, so you should know the difference between air pollution, water pollution and land pollution, and basically what is pollution. You should know this term pollution very well. The what is pollution, how many types of pollution are there, and then you have to discuss with your parents, then you have to discuss with your brother or sister that what you have understood from this chapter. You have to underline all the difficult words from the passage and you have to find out the meaning from dictionary, right? So the lesson was quite easy. You all are very much familiar with pollution. You all know the types of pollution. Just read the comprehension paragraph very carefully and discuss it with your family members for your better understanding. In case of any question, do ask me. Thank you.